Today we have a Mori Seiki SL-2500SMC, new in 2003. Machine has an MSG 805 control with maps. It's got an ATS S30 collet chuck on the main spindle, 6-inch Kanagawa chuck on the sub spindle. Right now it's running at 800. $1,600 RPM. $2,600 on the main spindle. We're going to do a C-axis on the main. Full C-axis. X and Z are quiet. All the tooling mounted to the turret goes with the machine. Now we're going to run a live tool. That's 700 on the live tool. $1,500. That's $2,000. All right. Sub spindle. Now we'll do the sub spindle. $800 RPM. 1,800. $3,000 RPM on the sub. All right. We got C-axis on the sub as well.